Hello, my name is Swapnil and this video is for a GitHub Octantship Lambdatest assignment. So I've created my backend in Fast API, frontend in React.js and used Elasticsearch for storing the network logs. And this is my scraper. Currently for testing purposes, I am running this only once. So if I show the front end, yeah, so this is, you can see these are the logs being visualized in form of graphs. Let's run the scraper again for a certain date. Like currently, I'm just hard coded this. I've commented this one, so I'll run it for 2022 12 20. Yep. So as you can see, the scraping has started. So it will scrape all the network logs from the nav bar anchor tags. And if I refresh here, you can see. Yeah, so as you can see, these are the network logs. So if I go to status code, you can filter by status code. Currently it's set to all, so all status code will be fetched. So you can suppose currently I cannot see the status code with small count, so I will cut this one. So as you can see, you can easily visualize the graph. If you want to see for a single code, then just you can filter using this. Currently there is, yeah. So you can see for 403 and also 404, and this is the pie chart. You can easily visualize from here also the quantity of each status code. You can also you can filter from here. So but I'll show after this one. So this is the MIME logs. If I, yeah, it's same as status logs. So the visualization is almost same. I can filter. You can see all the filters are working. Yep. And this is the log section. You can easily see all the logs which are scraped. So you can see the MIME type and all those stuff. If you click on more info, then you can see actual JSON. And also if you want to filter for a certain type, like using key value pairs, so you can easily do that. Suppose I want to filter for suppose filter for uh, like let's say status code. So I'll do params dot, this is the params dot then response and the status code. So I'll copy this, wait a second. Yep. And I'll add 200 here. So if I search, if I go back to the logs, you can see all the status code are filtered for 200 requests. If I search for 201, you can see it automatically filtered. You can also use keyword search. Suppose I want to search for certain keyword, I'll remove this one. Yeah. So suppose I want to search for like text CSS, txt CSS, CSS. Yep. So it searched for text CSS. All the result are filtered. And suppose if I want to search for this thing, so currently it will not do that because every log has this one. And search for this thing. URL, okay. Yep. So it filtered for this asset URL. You can see. Yep. If I can also filter the status code using key value pairs. Suppose I want status code. You can filter with any key value pair. Just for demonstration purposes, I'm using this one. This filter status. If I do 200 and search, then if I scroll here, you can see I'm getting only results only for 200 status code. And same with MIME logs. All these logs are for, like, all these MIME types are for 200 status code. I can change this to MIME type, then text CSS, You can see I'm getting the test CSS MIME tag. So that's all. These all are the visualization that I've created till now. Let me know if I need to make any improvements in that. I know that the graph look like kind of cluttery. I think there's need room for improvement in this. And yep, that's all. Thank you.